GR Sport Badge. The GR stands for Gaju Racing, Toyota's performance division. The Sport designation suggests this RAV4 variant would have sportier features and performance. Aggressive exterior styling. Expect a more aggressive exterior design compared to the standard RAV4, with sporty accents, unique grille design, and possibly a rear spoiler. Enhanced performance. The RAV4 GR Sport would likely feature upgrades to its suspension, steering, and possibly engine tuning for improved performance. Sport Tune Suspension. A specially tuned suspension system would provide sharper handling and better cornering capabilities, enhancing the driving dynamics. Sportier wheels and tires. Larger wheels with low-profile tires would improve grip and enhance the vehicle's stance, contributing to its sporty appearance and performance. Distinctive interior. Inside, expect unique GR Sport styling elements such as sport seats with bolstering for added support during spirited driving. Performance-oriented driving modes. The RAV4 GR Sport may offer selectable driving modes tailored for different driving conditions, including a sport mode for enhanced performance. Upgraded braking system. To complement the increased performance, the RAV4 GR Sport would likely feature larger brake rotors and high-performance brake calipers for improved stopping power. Exclusive color options. Unique paint colors or special edition finishes may be available for the RAV4 GR Sport to differentiate it from the standard model. Advanced safety features. Despite its sporty focus, the RAV4 GR Sport would still prioritize safety, featuring Toyota's advanced driver assistance systems and safety technologies. GR Performance Badging. Expect GR badging throughout the vehicle, indicating its association with Toyota's performance division. Limited production. Like other performance-oriented models, the RAV4 GR Sport may be produced in limited numbers to maintain exclusivity. Integration of racing technology. The RAV4 GR Sport may incorporate technology derived from Toyota's racing programs, such as advanced aerodynamics or lightweight materials. Track-inspired design elements. Design cues inspired by Toyota's racing heritage may be evident throughout the vehicle, highlighting its sporty pedigree. Customization options. Customers may have the option to personalize their RAV4 GR Sport with accessories and performance upgrades offered by Toyota's GR division. Enhanced exhaust system. A sport-tuned exhaust system could provide a more aggressive exhaust note, further enhancing the driving experience. Focus on driving dynamics. Overall, the RAV4 GR Sport would prioritize driving dynamics and enthusiast appeal, offering a more engaging driving experience compared to the standard model.